Hello my darlings, I hope the summer goes good. I definitely got better because finally I received a new Formicarium. Formicarium Dream City arrived in perfect condition. This city I called Florida. A dream city for any type of ants with great mountain views, cool cars and delicious food. The basis of the city is a hill which is a nest for ants on which there are private houses. And the bottom is where the main part of the city is located. The random measures is 16 and 30 centimeters. The main scenery is painted in simple colors so that the ants look beautiful against their background. There are buildings and another decoration that I will show you later. There is a mini container from which the ants can take additional moisture. And in our mountain there will be 4 entrances to the nest. 1 leading to a smaller nest and 3 to a larger one. As you can see, the nest itself is happy to thrive to take its favorite place in the aquarium. And let's see what kind of houses we have. The first building is some kind of 7-story twin building. Looks like an office building. By the way, all nests are made of acrylic and painted very well. The next is our elite house with a glass roof with a top view, painted in red color, and 2 or 3 floors here. Another cute house for cool ants with green roof and also with 3 floors. Next building is a hamburger dinner, probably the main building here, with 2 floors and a roof entrance. Next is a storehouse for a rich family, also with green roof. Next is a yellow skyscraper with an even steeper view. And now let's see what we have here. It looks like a... oh, it is a gas station. Looks like a typical station in every American movie when they shoot Western movies. And also is interesting, cool slogan: Gas Town, the best stop. Cool. Okay, I'm sure I was wrong then. This drinking house will be the most feasible place in this city, and I happen to have made a free at 4 pubs beer. And another advertisement for the much loved Coca-Cola drink. And 1 more house for ants. And another one apartment building. And perhaps top building in the city. And perhaps the top building in the city looks like very cool, like a city center or like a office building. And of course, in the city you cannot do without your favorite cars. First one is a yellow Dodge. Second is familiar, but I can't identify. Car expert, please write in the comments what it could be. Next one is a Georgios blue Golf. Also have a grey Mercedes AMG. And let's pick up the rest of the car. Here is a BMW 3rd Series, Mercedes C-Class, and 2 old Golf and 1 Bentley. Here there are. The city looks miserable without buildings. On this we start. I'll put the building on glue, because I have to go on exhibition in Poland with it. By the way, the calendar of exhibitions can be found in the description. You can also come to our exhibition, to speak with us, look at the Florida and buy ants. And the first exhibition will start this week on the 21st of August in the city Rybnik. Finishing the installation of buildings and see what we got. Since the colony isn't large, let's launch it into a smaller habitation block first, and for the time being we will cover the rest of the entrance to the nest with cotton wool and cover them with houses. Then let's just add some cars to the city. And that is it. The city is ready to welcome residents. And let's move on to ants. So far, they live in a comfort Formicarium, and I noticed that they don't like moisture at all. The colony often disappears very quickly shot with brood, so the city will be teeming with life. We moved ants with a simple test connection from the arena straight to the nest. I left the ants colony for only 30 minutes, and when I returned I was pleasantly surprised that ants immediately moved to a new nest with a new wall colony. After the transplant, I glued the lid to the Formicarium, and now we can release the ants to reconnoiter the arena. It's nice for you to watch the video to the end, and I say goodbye to you. I remind you about subscribing the channel and rating this video to help the video get higher in the search. See you!